Hello, this is Jon'Netta. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before, and if you haven't, hello, subscribe, give me a like, leave me a comment down below, because yeah, I really like makeup. Makeup is what I like to do. I like to do wigs from time to time. Yeah, all right, keep on watching. But we're gonna start off with eyebrows like we always do. We're gonna take our Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow pomade. Ooh, pomade in the color Ebony. Got a couple of things I want to do today. I want to go to the hair store, and I want to get a synthetic wig. Like, I recently learned how to put wigs on, and I want to do that. Like, that's what I want to do today. I want to find me a synthetic wig. Had to turn on my little mirror because I couldn't see, but yeah, I want to find me a synthetic wig, and I want to put it on. Just see if I can do it. I mean, I'm pretty sure I can, but you know, I haven't did my eyebrows in forever, like shaved them. So I think I'm gonna shape them after I get my eyebrows like on, just because I do my eyebrows a certain way, and I feel like if I do it while they're on, then like they'll be exactly how I want them to be. Okay, so recently I've been wanting to do this like very dark brown and a cut crease and some like iridescent glitter, but I just think it'll be really pretty. And yeah, so yeah, so we're gonna do. All of these brushes are dirty, but anyways, since you're watching, how about go ahead and subscribe and leave me a comment, like, whatever. Check out my playlist, you know, do all the above for me, please. I would greatly appreciate it. I have some videos coming. I don't want to say what video I have coming because I don't want to steal my idea, but I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I think I'm gonna finally start doing it. Like, it's 2022, like, what am I waiting on? I'm gonna go ahead and do all the videos that I've been wanting to do. So yeah, subscribe. I got some cool stuff coming up, and some stuff that you have never seen before, like in the makeup community. Like, I'm going to start this trend, me. And I've been watching the beauty community for years, and like literally when I say no one has done this, I thought of this, me. I haven't like highlighted the top of my brows with concealer in forever, and I'm thinking about doing that. I did it. Oh my gosh. That's ugly. I don't think I like these brows. They're definitely different. Okay, we're gonna put this away. We're gonna just go over the spots where the concealer was, because this is my foundation, and I don't, you know, I don't want that halo effect on my eyebrows. This one, this is the M505. I'm gonna use this one. It's a big boy. I'm gonna dip into the brown. Swirl it, swirl it, swirl it. Okay. And whenever you're doing an eye look like this, like you want it to be dark here, and you don't want it to bring it all the way up to your brow, you relax your eye, because you won't have your eye like this all day. You relax your eye, and then you just tap on the color, swirl it right where you tapped it. See, look at me wanting to lift my eye up, but It ain't gonna do nothing for me. And if it starts to come up more than you want it to, it's okay. Just take a clean brush, any brush, smooth out the edges. Going back in with my brown. See how pretty and deep that is? Even though I want to go deeper. Yep. Pretty and chocolatey. I really want to lift my eye up. I really do, just like to blend it. I'm gonna mix some white concealer and some of my regular concealer and make a lighter consistency. Not really liking this, but you already know, like when it comes to my last video, when it comes to something that I don't like, it starts out to be the one that I like the most. We're gonna keep it pushing. Push it, P. I'm gonna tap on some powder to hold this concealer still. Now I'm gonna do my glitter. I'm gonna start with just the inner corner. Take a brush, dip into some white, and just press it on. It's so cute. Don't touch. We're gonna do the wing. One of my pens don't have no ink in it no more, and I think it's this one. This is absolutely ugly, but you know me, I'm gonna fix it. I'm just spreading out this concealer. I'm bored. But I'm always putting black on, like always. But like, Jesus, excuse me. How is the deep enough I look? Someone tell me, I just don't know. Like on my brush and swirling it right there. Taking some white, some silver, and some light pink. How cute. I'm just gonna mix all of my colors together. So we're gonna take some blue, and then some orangey looking color. We're gonna take this dark purplish, hot pinkish, then a dark purple, It's looking like a rainbow. I like that, honestly. Okay. So I'm done with my eyes for right now, because I have to move to face. Take a little bit of my primer. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's makeup up there already. Okay. Okay, once you finish with your foundation, we're gonna move over. Wow, can I talk? Can I talk? Can I talk? Can I talk? We're gonna move straight into concealer. Oh my gosh, it's squirty. Recently I started doing this thing where I bring it up like this on the bridge of my nose, because it helps with a like contoured look. It's really cute. I don't know why. Bring it down, connect that on. Okay. I start with my edges, tapping them out and bringing them out, and then I just move in as I run out of product. And then I'm gonna contour, and then I'm gonna set my face with powder, and then I'll come back with the full face. Okay, focus. What is up? Okay, so I'm back, and I did my contour, I set my face, yada yada. Highlighted my nose. I didn't highlight my face. I just put blush and contour on. But yes, it's the face all complete. If you like this video, if you like me, give me a comment, give me a like, subscribe. All the above, all the above, all the above. Yes, like and comment and subscribe.